trick. A grand slam, as it were. 13 tricks. We're in clubs, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. There's only 3 more out there. Important to note that the 10 is one that we don't have. And the 5 and the 2. I'm not too worried about the 5 and the 2. And with this many clubs above the 10, I'm not really worried about the 10 either. What I do also see is that my hearts, I have the ace, and then I have all the lowest ones, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly, in spades, I have the ace, king, queen, and I have this 2, 3, which are low. Anyway, we need to take 13 tricks. So we can take the first trick in diamonds, and we've got 3 guaranteed tricks in spades, and a guaranteed trick in hearts, and probably all these club tricks. But we can't wind up in a situation where we run out of clubs and are forced to lead anything from south. We've got more trump over here than we do over there, so it's unlikely we're going to be in a situation where we lead the 2 of hearts. We're void of hearts over here, and we are able to trump a heart in north. That's just not going to happen. So let's think about the things that we have to think about rather than this first trick. We win that with the ace of diamonds. I think the card I'm most concerned about is the jack of spades. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spades means there's 7 of them out there. And if that splits in a way where the person who has the jack has got 4 spades, I can't force the jack out of him. Another way to look at this hand is that I've got the 2, 3, 4 of hearts, and I can't possibly lead any of those without losing a trick. I can only get rid of one of them, taking it with the ace. So that means I've got 2 hearts that I have to get rid of. So let's see what we can do about leading through to the spades and see if we can't get that jack of spades to come out. We may have to finesse the 10 of spades and leading clockwise, just hope that the jack is in west. Certainly, there's no way we can finesse the 10 if we lead it, because whoever's got the jack would take it. And we don't have the option where the 10 is on the other side from the ace, king, queen, and we could just wait patiently until the jack came out. So I think we're going to have to do that. So first thing we have to do is get back into our hand, get back into south. So let's go back over here and get back into south. Then let's lead a 2 of spades. All right, that's 4 spades gone there. And if we had gotten lucky and the jack fell, marvelous. I need to now lead the 3 of spades. So let's go ahead and pull another club. Okay, so how many clubs have fallen? Well, I don't really care because the 10 was the one I was worried about. The ace, king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. I got all the high clubs, if not all of the clubs. Let me lead this one here. And this is my last opportunity, so I'm going to play the 10 of spades. And luckily, I was able to finesse that. The jack must be over here. Having done that, I can play the king of spades, which is good. I can make super sure that there are no clubs left over. There weren't. Lead my ace of spades and dump this 3. Then I can lead the ace of hearts, get rid of this 4, and now I got 4 trump left, and nobody has any trump.